Advanced Prediction, Part 1, Advanced Prediction in Oracle EPM, Leveraging Machine Learning for Intelligent Business Forecasting. What can be achieved using Advanced Prediction in EPM? Advanced Prediction extends traditional forecasting by using machine learning and multiple business drivers to generate highly accurate forecasts, instead of relying purely on historical trends. Gone are the days of relying on simple driver relationships to forecast the future. With Advanced Prediction, you can configure multiple drivers and form complex relationships that directly affect your forecasted data, all without needing to build machine learning models yourself. Using simple, UI-based options, you configure how you want your model to behave, and EPM handles the complex work of training, testing, deploying, and running predictions within your application. So why choose Advanced Prediction over traditional methods? Because Advanced Prediction can build multivariate forecasts using business drivers such as price, promotions, marketing spend, GDP, weather, and more. It improves forecast accuracy through complex machine learning algorithms, automatically identifies hidden features that may affect predicted data, and reduces manual forecasting effort while increasing planning confidence. Demo walkthrough. The use case I'll demonstrate focuses on volume forecasting, using several key drivers to train the machine learning model and generate more accurate predictions. The dataset I have is used to predict sales volume from July to December of fiscal year FY24, using drivers such as industry volume, average selling price, advertising, GDP, personal consumption rate, discount rate, and accessories. I can configure my input drivers in the input drivers form. I have actual data for the entire year of FY22 and FY23 till June of FY24. From July to December, I have forecast data, essentially my what-if conditions. This is the same for all the other drivers, actual data till June of FY24 and what-if forecast data from July to December. The value I'm predicting is sales volume from July through December of FY24. I have actual data available for the entire year of FY22, FY23 till June of FY24. The drivers you input can be numbers, percentages, or even smart lists. For example, advertising and promotion are numerical values, the GDP growth rate is a percentage, and accessories use smart list values. Configuring the job. Now let's configure the Advanced Prediction job. First, decide the date range for the historical data and the predicted data. Here, the historical date range runs from January FY22 till June FY24, and the prediction date range is July to December of FY24. Next, decide which drivers will affect the predicted value, and choose the cross-section where the historical data resides. Here, all 7 individual drivers, as shown before, have been configured, which includes the values for accessories configured as a smart list. On the next page, decide on the cross-section where the predicted data will be stored. Some datasets contain outliers or missing values. EPM lets you handle these appropriately. Missing values can be replaced with any of the displayed values. Similarly, outliers can be trimmed and replaced with the displayed values. Finally, choose the algorithm to train your machine learning model. Oracle provides 8 built-in algorithms, each with its own strengths and trade-offs, so choosing the right one is critical, or select Oracle AutoMLX, which lets EPM automatically choose the best-performing algorithm for your dataset. The forecast error metric is used by EPM to reduce error and improve accuracy. You can also set confidence intervals and assign fitted values to validate the trained model against actual data. Finally, you can include events, one-time, recurring, or non-recurring, such as promotions and store sales that may drive up sales volume, or calamities like earthquakes and hurricanes. Once the job is configured, simply execute the Advanced Prediction job. The job is now complete. Results. As you can see, the following values have been predicted using Advanced Prediction. To understand how EPM arrived at this data, right-click and select Explain Prediction. This shows which algorithm was used, the accuracy achieved, and the percentage of error. Here, we have 97% accuracy and a 3% error rate while using the Sarimax algorithm. This is the same algorithm we selected in the configuration. On the Feature Importance tab, you can see which data contributed to the predicted values. This can be data from the current period, the past period, or average data that influences the predicted value. For Smartphone 4, the predicted data was affected by all of the displayed drivers. In summary, advanced prediction in EPM enables planners to combine historical data, business drivers, machine learning, and business events to generate explainable, high-accuracy forecasts with minimal manual effort, making planning smarter and more data-driven.